Hi, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to create records that can be visible only once approved by an administrator. So first of all I'm going to set up a very simple list. Create a new list and we're going to label it approvals and go to the data section, give it a name, demo approvals. Let's set access. We're going to go back to the access later on, I think. First of all, we'll just save that and close it. Let's filter our list so we can see that. Okay, let's add some elements in. So we'll just first of all add a label in so we can give it some sensible data. Just set that to show in the list as well, and we'll save that. And the next one that we want to do, we want to create an approved yes/no field. Okay, so let's check the default is set to no. Okay. Let's go back to our list and just add some data in to start off with. Change the access control. A small bug in new list at the moment where the access isn't set until you resave it. Okay, let's go back to there again. Okay. So not approved. And we'll create an approved record as well. Let's create a front-end menu item for this list now, so we can check what it's going to look like for the front-end user. So select the list, and then approvals, there you go. Okay, let's save that, and if we refresh our home page, we now have an approvals list. And as you can see, I've selected the wrong list. Okay, there was a little bugette there where I had two menu aliases pointing called approvals, so I've just changed the alias to approvals 2 there, so that now I'm showing the right list. That kind of threw me. So now what we're seeing, unfortunately, or fortunately, is all the data, but what we want to show is only the records that are approved. So this one here shouldn't be shown in the front end. So let's go back to our list and create a pre-filter. Data pre-filters. Let's add a pre-filter, and where approved equals 1, and we'll apply it to public for now. So if I reload the approvals page, now we only see an approved record. The next issue is that we don't want our front-end user to be able to access the approved yes/no element. That should only be accessible by an admin. So let's alter the access controls for that element. Access. No. So now we've got form, add and edit, which should go to special. Details view, we still want to show. Do we want to show it? I think it's only useful if for the administrator. So let's set everything to special and close that element. So now if I go back to the front page, approved doesn't appear, and it doesn't appear there either. Let's just check that in our admin, if we go here and review the list data, I can still see the approved because I'm logged in as the administrator, but the pre-filter is applied. This is because this is a real gotcha with the Joomla access control levels, is that because super administrator is a member of public, the public access controls are also applied to super administrator. So let's go back to the list. So what I tend to do is, in my groups, I then set things up as public being the root, and then we have the guest one here, which we should probably use. So let's go approvals. Let's go back to the pre-filter section. Apply to guest. Let's refresh the front page. Check the pre-filter still works there. Close that. Let's check in the back end. Okay, so now the administrator can see all approved records. And what else can we do? We can possibly add a plugin, a list plugin, to approve multiple records at the same time. So let's just add not approved one. And then let's go back and edit the list. So we should be able to have an update column plugin. So it says it's published, obviously. Who can edit it? Well, use it, only the administrator. So we have a publish, no, approve makes more sense. So you want to update approved to 1. Let's add a message in. We don't really want to worry about updating the date or the user or notifying anybody. Those are kind of additional options. Let's just save that and go back to our list and reload that. And then if we go here, let's check those two and we'll approve that. And now you see they're all approved. It's a short introduction onto how to, one possible way of managing record approval from within your site. So if we just go back to the front page now and reload it, we should see all our 3 records approved. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Bye.